All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and introduce. This is Ben Freeman with Ram Restoration.
There you go.
And I will let him introduce his team and go ahead and give the introduction to what they do and what they're here for.
Yeah.
And
So
also thank them very much.
yeah. Yeah, glad to do it. And, you know, I'm going to pull some notes out here just because I'm not typically a big public speaker, but I live in the blue collar world. So we really appreciate the opportunity to be able to come in and give you lunch. And likewise, just say thank you because y'all guys are on the first ones on the ground when somebody's life's falling apart, right? We're typically number two. So our business kind of starts with fire, water, mold, emergency services. Typically, it's a catastrophic event that kicks it off, and then we will come in and help mitigate that. Our mission really is pretty simple. It's to meet people where they're at, help them rebuild whatever chaos happened and get them back to the life that they want to enjoy. We're a local family-owned company. So a lot of companies have gone kind of more towards a private equity, non-personal piece. Our goal is to really meet people where they're at, to help kind of hold everything back together. Some of the different things that we get into could be a catastrophic fire and it needs structural bracing and getting it stabilized so that we can come in and dry it, right? We have specialties to be able to do large and small buildings. So like, for example, we had a 55,000 square foot synagogue that blew an 8-inch fire suppression line. It ran for over an hour, flooded the entire building. Probably could have canoed down the hallways, right? We were able to dispatch a semi of drying equipment. We had it dried out within 4 days. And then we also have full construction. So we can actually rebuild everything back in-house, not just the emergency dry out services. So probably the biggest areas where we can be helpful to you guys is, you know, emergency board ups in the middle of the night. We also have full drying abilities 24 hours. We have packets that we've kind of put together for each one of you. So on the front page, you're gonna have kind of a VIP contact list. So that contact list is not given out to everybody. If you have issues in the middle of the night and need help, the main number is always a good way to call. We do have people that answer 24/7, and then it dispatches to us internal. But we've also given you direct cell phone numbers. So Robbie Mount is probably one of the best numbers for y'all to have. Second one might be Mike Stacy. Those guys have loads of contacts and ability to solve problems all over the place. So like this week, we had a 20-story high-rise that flooded on the 20th floor, went through every floor. So we were first on scene to get that set up. We had a couple structural fires. We had a house that a tree literally went through the entire house. So we were able to get a crane out there, get the tree off of it, and then brace it structurally, get it ready to go. So at the end of the day, our goal is really to help people navigate it, do it in a way that's not high pressure. I know some companies that I've been around in the past, it's like, if you don't have your deductible, we're not touching it. We typically, especially on a fire, it's, hey, here's just a release. We can start work, get it boarded up that night. We can figure all that out on the back end, right? There's a lot bigger issues that you have live time to deal with. And so that's kind of our goal. So I guess one of the things that we do, especially on the dry out, that's very different. These are a couple different scrubbers, but we own a company called Extreme Microbial Technologies, and we built this specifically for our water dry out. But it basically has the ability to develop an energized hydrogen peroxide. We can put it in the air while we're drying stuff out. It kills mold and bacteria and viruses live time at the cellular level, but it's totally safe for humans to be in that space. We do this in everything from big plants, hospitals, that kind of stuff, but any dry out that we do has this in it. It will also kill smoke smell. So we can go in behind a fire, put these in the units around it, like if we have a big apartment fire, it will mitigate that smoke smell and you will not smell it. It will kill it at the level. It's really unbelievable. So those are probably the biggest ways we can help, but we have, I'm trying to think through what else might be helpful. I guess what questions? Anybody have questions on anything? Anything that we could do to be helpful?
What's your service area?
We kind of go a little bit all over. So I would say most of our stuff is probably, like, we're based out of Moraine, but we go down to Cincinnati. We've done stuff as far up as Indian Lake. Like there was a hotel that flooded 30 floors. We were up there, did full construction rebuild. A lot of what we've done is we've basically acquired a couple different companies so that we can control the timeline in-house, because we deal heavily with insurance, and a lot of times there's a lot of paperwork and it's a slow process. And then if you get the approval, then you're waiting to get on the schedule, and so it ends up getting stretched out pretty long. And so we basically brought roofing, plumbing, exteriors, window, and full construction in-house so we can help control that timeline and get stuff through insurance and help navigate that. It's still not an easy process, but we do protect you from a lot of that.
Are you guys in the natural disaster stuff? Like floods, tornadoes?
We do. So we're here and in Florida, so we do a lot of hurricane, and we've literally rolled up to 180 people in 2 days and had boots on the ground running crazy. So, but yeah, so thank you so much. If we can be of help with anything, definitely reach out. We'll be glad to help with anything you need. So, get some more grub.
More food.
That's right. So.